Do you know how China builds bridges at such insane speed? The secret lies in a group of infrastructure monsters, giant bridge beam transporters. These beasts are truly impressive, over 90 meters long. They can carry bridge precast beams weighing up to 5,000 tons. They are used for high-speed rail and highway projects, moving massive precast beams from factories straight to construction sites. What's even wider? Some of them don't need cranes at all. Just drive to the spot, lower the beam into place, and it's done. Where do you want China to build a bridge? Drop your comment below.